Jaka cabinet meeting kan menjur Jaka Jingmynjur ka health department ka beri bat ka medical college bat ka sukar Jylla kan penmi Tylli ki medical college bat dia ki jendam ke bakhamnya an sesong biang ha ka jalang Jaka kunhun menteri ka masalong ha ka sito ding ulong ru bagari ka jing shisha wala da kawan ka medical college ki seat ki berjuyo na ka central Pule ne na ka bha jang sokar pedeng kin du no bakani ki haban ya tai sani bha Hakabri bat ki samla Pule ki prasakta naka jingyakhi apo Manipur menteri nang ba ulong ba ki menteri ka sarkar pedeng ki laya kular banyarap ya ki lese da ka pengkria sikoi pat ki institution nani ki Jaka Pule jangka central government nakalong hane crimes lani apo nang ba gawati.
Let the cabinet take the call day after tomorrow. But as I said, we have done extensive work we've been doing for the last couple of years, and in the last few weeks we had detailed number of meetings with health minister. I would want her to speak about it more, so let her speak about it, because she has also refrained from talking about it because we have not formally taken it up in the cabinet, which we will be taking it up on Friday. So in that we'll be making some very, very important decisions, and that will be announced on Friday. So please wait for that day, and the Honourable Minister herself will give you details about those colleges.
The ministry is skeptical about it, so that 80 to 90 seats will be lost if you have a.
It's a policy that is all everywhere in the country. Any state that has their own medical college, they do not get the quotas in the other colleges. So it's always a give and take. So we have to take a decision at one point, and that's the reason why I'm telling you that you have to wait till the cabinet. All of these points will be brought out in the cabinet. Everybody should be aware of the kind of not repercussions in a negative manner, but what are the things that will happen post this decision is made, and what are the financial implications more importantly. So all these have been discussed, and I said I'm quite firm that we have to move forward in those things. And as I said, let the cabinet give the green signal day after tomorrow, and Honourable Minister will share the details with you.
So what about the status of the Shillong Medical College that we have?
All of this will be discussed on Friday, and the announcement will be made on Friday.
So in line with your humanitarian medical students saying in Manipur, asking for some centrally located or neutral venue.
We have already written to Minister that Nigrams or Guwahati or any other central medical institute may be put as an alternative, and the minister gave us a very positive response that day, saying that not only myself but many other people have been speaking about it, and they have been discussing in the cabinet, among the cabinet colleagues at the central government level about this issue, and they all obviously feel for it, and they are all for it, but I guess the formal decision has not been taken yet. We met the agriculture minister also, and immediately agriculture minister has acted on it. I expect that we will get a positive response from the medical seats or for the medical students also. But as I said, the ball is in the central government's court. But we are putting continuous pressure so that the students don't lose out.
So when